Tyler here with NiceRink. I'm going to show you how to put on the premium L kick plates. So what you're going to do, after you have the whole rink set up, you can do this before you fill or after you fill with these, because you can let the water freeze right up to it, or once it's filled you can go around and do it. I just prefer to do it before you fill it, because then the water freezes right to the level. So all you want to do is take the bumper cap off, lay the bumper right on the side here, get your bumper cap, clamp it on there, and then just follow that down the boards. There you go. There's your kick plates. So now this is going to protect from skates, pucks, sticks, anything that's going to harm the liner. So there you go.